guys, AMIRAH JADE back with another video. Period. Hey y'all, and good morning. This is like not the best. I know I always start my videos with my car, it's weird. Anyways, today I decided to do a eat-me video. So it is 8:27 in the morning. I am about to go ahead and go run and get some breakfast. I have class at 9, so hopefully I can get in and out of the caf pretty quickly so that I can eat my food. I'm actually gonna eat in my car because I don't feel like eating in the caf. And yeah, I'm letting my car room up for a second and then I'm gonna be on my way to the caf. So I'll be back when I show y'all what I get for breakfast. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I just got back from the caf and I'm gonna show y'all what I got today. So I got a yogurt parfait with vanilla and strawberry yogurt with raisins and granola. And then here's my actual food. So here's what it's looking like. I got some toast today. I also got turkey sausage links, eggs, potatoes that look very uncooked, and a hard biscuit. Actually, it's not that hard. And that's everything I got. Yeah. I also got me an orange juice. So this is my breakfast for today. They also have the caf where you can make your own omelets, and there's like other options too, but this is just what I get. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I have about 15 minutes until class, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy this food for 15 minutes. Hey y'all, so I just finished eating breakfast. It was really good. I ate everything. I'm gonna eat the yogurt later though, because I have to be at class in literally like 3 minutes. So we're gonna go zoom over to class real quick and I'll see y'all at lunch. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna quickly give y'all an outfit of the day. It's nothing crazy because it's cold outside. But I'm wearing this sweater. I got this from Walmart actually yesterday and I washed it when I did laundry yesterday. But it's really soft. It's like a teddy bear. It's so soft, and then it has a nice pocket too, and it zips halfway. So we got a warmer outfit on today. But yeah, sweatpants from Walmart, and then I'm just wearing my Uggs. And yeah, it's actually not as cold as it has been outside today, but it's cold, so I'm gonna stick with being warm. But I think I'm gonna eat in the caf today with my boyfriend. So I'll probably show you the food when I'm in there. Hey guys, this is what I had for lunch. I had mac and cheese, collard greens, fried chicken, cornbread, and then there's baked chicken in the back that y'all can't see. And then I also got me a cookie and cake. Hey guys, I am back. I just got out the caf though. Sorry I didn't like actually talk in the video, but it was kind of loud because a lot of people in there actually. And Jalen has 1,000,001 friends, and they all come up to him and say hey. So I was just like, we're not gonna talk today. But I had got, y'all saw actually, never mind. But the food was okay. It was actually kind of gross. I lied. The mac and cheese was a little too liquidy for my taste. Actually, they had 2 pans of mac and cheese, and 1 pan looked pretty good, but the lady had scooped from the pan that didn't look good, so I was like, great. So yeah, the mac and cheese that y'all saw, it looked like runny and it tasted runny. The collard greens were kind of unseasoned today. It was giving not HBCU collard greens, because why is it not seasoned? The chicken was okay. It was hecka greasy when I bit into it, and I was like, dang, like all this grease in my mouth just now. So yes, I had to critique everything. And then what else I get, y'all? That's it. Oh yeah, I got baked chicken, but I actually didn't even eat the baked chicken because by the time I got through the regular chicken, I was just like, nah, I'll pass. And then I got some cake. Oh, I got cornbread too, which I took I'm gonna eat in my room because yeah, I just wanted to leave. But I also got some cake, which I'll show y'all when I get to my room as well. And yeah, I'm about to be back in my room anyway. Hey guys, I'm back. So very quickly, I'm gonna show you guys the cake that I got at lunch. So I got carrot cake. I'm not even a huge fan of carrot cake, but it was carrot cake, red velvet, I think just plain vanilla, and then like a strawberry cake. So I picked up this, and then I made my boyfriend pick up. I didn't make it, but I told my boyfriend to pick me this strawberry vanilla cake. So we're gonna taste them, even though I'm supposed to be on a diet. I'm still gonna eat them. So, but yeah, that's basically what I had for lunch. This video's probably gonna be really short, y'all, but that's basically what I had for lunch. And I guess I'll talk to y'all when I'm eating a snack or something, because I'll probably eat a snack before I eat dinner. I don't even know what I'm eating for dinner yet. I may go to the cafe. I may stay here and make me something, but I'm not really sure yet, so we'll see. Hey guys, I'm back. So right now it is about 6 o'clock. I actually just ate a little bit of the carrot cake that I had bought. I ate half of it about like 30 minutes ago, maybe an hour ago. And it was pretty good, but it was very sweet. And I didn't want to eat too much of it either. So that was my snack for, I guess, before dinner. So right now I am about to go to Tropical Smoothie, and that's gonna be my dinner for tonight. I was gonna cook dinner, but I made pizza yesterday, and I kind of just like don't really want to cook tonight, so I'm gonna cook tomorrow. Today for dinner we're having Tropical Smoothie. So yeah, I guess I will see y'all when I get back to my room, because I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all till then. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I got my trop. Here's my smoothie. And I got a strawberry banana smoothie with white chocolate. Drink some of it on my way here. And then my wrap, and I'm not sure what it looks like because it's really good. Okay, so here's what my, can't see it. So here's what my wrap looks like. Ooh, y'all see that lusciousness? I don't think y'all really getting a great picture, a great view. Okay, so the wrap has rice, beans, lettuce, chicken, and a jerk sauce, sorry. And then it has pineapple salsa. But yeah, it's really good, y'all. I highly recommend trying it. And then it always comes with like some type of chips, so I usually get these jalapeno chips. I actually have the big one of these in my drawer. And then I got Jalen his food too. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food. I'll probably do one more clip later on like a snack that I eat later, which is probably gonna be the rest of the other half of that cake, but we'll see. So I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is now 11 o'clock at night, and I'm about to eat a snack, and then I'm gonna end the video because this is about it. So I'm about to eat these. It always wants to focus my face. So I'm gonna be eating these. It has chocolate, pretzels, and apples. They're really good, y'all. I love these little packs thing because it like hits like every single taste bud, because it got sweet, salty, and then like fruity. Anyways, y'all, so this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of want to do more of these, so let me know if you guys want more what I eat in day videos. I'll probably do some where I'm actually cooking food and stuff like that, so let me know, y'all. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. Oh yeah, make sure y'all comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.